What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. Listen, this is your midweek SITREP, and man, I am super pumped to give you guys a face to the voice, man. Some of the old followers, you guys know I used to do this all the time, and then I moved from Benning to Leavenworth, and now I'm here to give you guys another face, man. We haven't done this for a while, but I wanted to let you guys know that since we got so many members and so many people coming with us on this journey and that are new, man, yes, I'm a real person. No, I'm not some algorithm bot out there, man. I'm a trader just like you, and I do real stuff, man. I just got done coaching youth football league for my youngest son, so I look a mess, and I'm about to eat some dinner, but I'm going to get you guys this great video, and I'm going to get this content out, and man, we're going to kick it off. But what I need you to do is like, share, and subscribe, and I need you to come along on the journey, man. Listen, this is not a success without the team, okay? And just like in war, man, we're attacking, conquering, destroying. You need your battle team to come with you and go to war. And as always, and I say this and I truly mean it, man, the goal is to be better prepared today than we were yesterday. I tell you guys that all the time, man, and I live and breathe by that. Now, if that sounds good and everything is all good and you're ready to rock it, then all I gotta say to you is follow me and let's go to war together. TWR wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for education and entertainment purposes only, all right? You are responsible for every decision you make within the stock market. Have fun, but be cautious and always go to war. Let's get it started with the buzz report. All right, let's see how we close, man. Green across the board, didn't do too bad. Bonding yields, staying about where they've been at for the past couple days. Market movers, we had some movers and shakers. PLTR, SPY. All right, top news, we see some COVID infection boosts, private payrolls. GM, that was a big one, man. We have a GM play. Wall Street ends higher on optimism, and the U.S. Senate filibuster looms. All right, see about sector performance. We don't look at 1 day, we look at the 5 day. We see energies up, utilities, comm services. Let's go into futures. A lot of green. And then these are the orders filled by Fidelity customers. So here's the story about the Wall Street optimism, debt ceiling. I'll leave it here. Pause it, read this, get spun up on this, see where the sentiment is with the market. And here's the one about the Senate filibuster looms. Again, leave it here, pause it so that you guys can read up on your own and get spun up, because this will have direct implications on sentiment for long-term investing from big money specifically, and also the retail investors as well. Now here's some stocks I'm watching, and we'll see what kind of earnings are in store to close out this week. See if we can find some things that are rocking and in the week strong as hell. Remember, here's the earnings that were going on this week, and we had a couple plays, some of them to play on these. You know, we got into Pepsi, Levi's, TLRY, so we're still working on those ones. Still got a few days until the end of the week, but definitely watching these, seeing if anything's popping, locking, and then got our eye on some other ones. So Pepsi was a trade that we were in earlier this week, and it didn't do so much the past couple days, but man, today had a fantastic day where you saw it shoot up quite a bit. So I like Pepsi going in tomorrow, and definitely they had a better than expected earnings, and their future potential was highlighted as being better than expected as well. So we'll see what this has to play. Looking to get out of the position full in profit tomorrow, but we'll see what happens at the market bell. All eyes have been on this ticker. This one is definitely one that you can tell by the candlesticks. It likes to spike up and spike down. Definitely has some areas where there's some high concentration, and you could see those marked out with the purple. But past this level where it's at currently, it doesn't have much upside potential. Now, I'd like to see a spike go up a little bit further, but I'm expecting fully this to come back down. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. An interesting play that I alerted in Discord is Snap, and I like what I'm seeing here in Snap now. What we have here is the classic outside bar theory,
but definitely could see where this could go both sides, either past the 74.30 and below the 71.20. I definitely would like to see the upside since I have a call on this one, but we'll see what happens when the market opens. However, you guys already know that I'm a big inside outside bar type of guy, and so this outside bar definitely gives me the idea that this thing has potential to shoot up tomorrow and get some ground on its strong close today. And another one I really like going in to finish off this week, as it's been consolidating for a while, and I kind of like the pattern that I see on the charts looking at the 30-minute chart, is UPS. So UPS definitely has done well in the past. We've seen some recent huge downward trends on it, but every time it goes down, it comes back up, and I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing with this current upside trend motion going on right here. So definitely looking to see this climb closing off the week. And finally, last play that I alerted on the premium Discord was pins. And I like pins. It's definitely seen some downtrend, especially after COVID kind of, ceased, or people got used to COVID and they started going back and things were opening. People weren't using as much because they weren't making things. However, I think people have gone back to it and advertising dollars have come back in it because people noticed that they liked making things and they liked doing things. So now they're kind of bored again with everything reopening, and they're kind of going back into handcrafting and making things of that nature. And so Pinterest will definitely see a good bump in revenue, in my opinion, due to market money, sentiment, advertisement dollars, and just people wanting to get back to that kind of crafty thing that they enjoyed during the COVID thing. And now that they're kind of relaxed a little bit more on the reopening stuff, they're going to go back to the things that they kind of enjoyed at certain times. So I like this thing moving forward. And I know I talk about a lot about the Discord and how we're doing great things over there, but actions speak louder than words. So I'm going to show you guys what we got in store when you come and rock with us, and especially on the premium side of the house. So first and foremost, I wanted to create a one-stop shop for any type of trader and investor you are, and I think we've created that, man. We got free and premium stuff. I'm showing you the premium stuff right now. Man, we got everything from scalps, day trading, swing trading, crypto, long, dollar cost averaging into positional plays, and even a dividend portfolio, man, that we're giving real-time alerts all the time so that people can get in at good entry levels, or at least get ideas on what stocks to look at and what type of positions they should be getting into. And these are the type of plays that you'll see in my channel when you come over. Short, sweet, simple, to the point. I give you the in, I give you the price target, and I give you the stop loss to keep an eye on it so that you guys have a full game plan of what to look for. And I let you guys know everything that I alert out there, man. I'm in the trenches with you. I'm in the fight, and I'm buying the same contracts that I put out there. I'm not alerting anything as an official alert unless I'm actually in it myself. We got my boy Sparring over here. He's a fantastic scalper, man. And if you're just real quick, you want to get into one or two trades and make a G a day, or, a nice little some pocket change, he's the guy to follow, because he's in, he's out, and he's done for the day early, usually right when the market opens during that high volatility. In, out, quick money, done for the day. Shiner's a good guy. He likes to do a lot of future trading, and he likes to do a lot of covered calls. Has a lot of information that he puts out there, and is a good one to get into if you want more of a covered call type of positions where you actually hold, 100, 200 shares of things and looking for the high premium for weekly payouts and monthly payouts based off of covered calls. And of course, we got some of the rock stars out there that are all over, Discord and other platforms, man. We got R2K doing his thing. MTA pushing it. He pushed out the Affirm one. He got in at 220, was able to get out at 430. Made, some big bank off of that if you followed his tips. Brand new to the Discord, we got a crypto guy, man. He's fantastic at crypto. Does a lot of, on-the-spot trades, explains what the coins actually do, gives a little bit of background. So if crypto's your thing, definitely a wealth of knowledge right here, and real-time alerts on all sorts of different crypto coins. And I could go on, but you really just need to do yourself the service, and you need to try us out and come check it out. And I don't think you'll be, unhappy, but like I said, 5-day trial, risk-free. So if you don't like it, or it's not your style, or, there's some sort of issue where you like it, but not really, maybe it's too fast, too slow, whatever, man, you get out and you just go back to the normal, the free side, and you just become an engaged member right there. And I preach it all the time, the market coalition. You got to have a winning team when you're going in this. It's not just yourself. You got to have people that are with you. And if you're not in my Discord, or you're not following me other than on, the YouTube or maybe Facebook, and you're in these other Discords, you'll see me posting in these as well, because they're part of the team, man. And we're all creating this like-minded community of investors, and we're all doing great things. So if you don't check me out, which I hope you do, I hope you at least check some of these people out, because we're all team players and we're all doing our things and making that money. My boy Brendan over there at Dedicated Investors, big props out, man. That group is showing me a lot of love, and I repay it back, man. Show a lot of love, and you'll see me posting over there. You might see me on this guy's Discord as well, man. I'm in that pro room pushing out, different alerts and knowledge and things of that nature. So once again, I hope I see you on my server. But if not, and you're part of his server, you guys already know what's up, man. And you know that I'm over there doing my thing. And that's the video, guys. Like I told you, man, we try to create that one-stop shop for every type of trader that's out there. I don't care what type of trader you are. If you're looking for something, you can definitely find it on our Discord. That's the link. It's a good link. It'll be up for 7 days, and by the next video, I'll have a new link so that you guys can ensure that you get in to a great platform that's growing with a great energy and engaging content to grow, share, and learn to trade as a like-minded investing group, man. Here at Traders War Room, look at the stock market like it's a war zone. Stocks and sectors, those are our battles, and we do it together. Now, if that sounds good, come join us on this journey. And as always, if you're ready, follow me. Let's go to war.